This is the Middle East, sacred land riddled by decades of conflict. The desert that seduced Lawrence of Arabia.
T.E. Lawrence came to Arabia in 1914, blew up a railway, defeated the Ottomans, became a national hero and left behind a total mess.
I'm hoping to travel from the deserts of Jordan
Oh my God.
on ancient colonial railways
Can I go up?
to the holiest city in the world.
Are you saying there's no train to Jerusalem?
No.
As I try to find out why these lines were built and how they helped shape the history of this troubled region.
Well, I'm trying to get on, mate.
But this is not a place for the faint-hearted.
Iraq's over there, Syria is over there.
So I may be in for a bumpy ride.
I think these are real bullets.